Find how many different numbers can be made from sum or all the digits. You stress on these words. Sum or all the digits of the number 1, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9. That means you could use only one number or two numbers from the given numbers, or you could use all the numbers. There is no condition that you should use each and every number. So let's start. First bit, all 7 digits you need to use. The odd digits are all together. So what all are odd? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. These should be together means I should consider them to be one unit along with other two numbers. So 1, 2, 3. These 3 can shuffle themselves in 3v3 ways. Right? Now inside the block, these 5 numbers again can jumble themselves in 5p5 ways. So this is the answer. Whenever they should be together, they should be considered as one unit. 1, 2, 3 can be shuffled in 3p3. Inside the block, they can jumble in 5p5 ways. Now next, the numbers made are even. It has to be an even number and between 3000 and 5000. And no digits are repeated. You cannot repeat the digits. It has to be even, and 3000 and 5000 means it has to be a 4-digit number and it should start from 3. And it should be an even number means it has to be 4 at the end, or it could be 8 at the end. Only then I can say this will be an even, this will also be an even number. Or it could also start from 4. So the ending digit has to be 8. I cannot place 4 again because the repetition is not allowed. And I cannot start with 5. That will be beyond 5000. Now 3 and 4 are gone. How many numbers do I have to fill these two places? 3 is not there, 4 is not there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 numbers to fill these two places, so 5p2. Next, here 3 is not there, 8 is not there this time. Again 5 numbers to fill 2 places, so 5p2. Next, here 4 and 8 this time are not there, but again 5 numbers to fill 2 places, so 5p2. So this is your answer. Am I clear? Write all the possibilities. For each you write, then add it. Next one. The numbers made are multiples of 5 which are less than 1000. And digits can be repeated, and you need to stress on this repeated as well. So let us start. First, if I consider it to be 1000, I even need to consider this part, sum or all the digits means, and less than 1000 means it could be a single digit, it could be a 2-digit number, it could also be a 3-digit number, but not 4. 4 will exceed 1000. So if it has to be a single digit number, what number it should be such that it is multiple of 5? It has to be 5 only, no other possible option. So 1-digit number is only one available to me. Next, 2-digit number. It has to be a multiple of 5 means the number 5 needs to be fixed here. Now, repeated numbers can be repeated, so I should not use P. Manually I need to see. 1 blank, how many numbers do I have? All these 7, I can write again 5 because repetition is allowed. So I have 7 options to fill the 1 blank. 1, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8 and 9. These 7 numbers can be used to fill here because repetition is allowed. Next, it could be a 3-digit number as well. Multiple of 5. 5 means it should end with 5. Now repetition is allowed, don't use P. Check manually. To fill this one blank, how many numbers do I have? All the 7. Again to fill the second blank, how many numbers do I have? All the 7. So 7 into 7, 49. Am I clear? Whenever repetition is allowed, you need to do it manually for each blank. So it could be this or this or this. So you need to add all these 3. That will result in 57. Is the answer. There are 3 conditions given in this bit. Multiple of 5 less than 1000 repeated. And also using sum or all the digits. It could be a 1-digit, 2-digit or 3-digit number.